Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how the French government works. France is a unique semi-presidential republic, meaning it blends elements of both presidential and parliamentary systems. This structure ensures a clear separation of powers among its executive, legislative, and judicial branches. We'll explore how these branches interact, providing a comprehensive understanding of the French political landscape, including the important role of local administration across the country. The executive branch is led by two key figures, the president and the prime minister. The president, as head of state, is directly elected by the people for a 5-year term and holds substantial authority, especially in foreign affairs and defense. They appoint the prime minister, who then leads the government and manages its day-to-day operations. This dual leadership ensures both strong national direction and effective administrative management. France's legislative power resides in its bicameral parliament, composed of the National Assembly and the Senate. The National Assembly, with 577 deputies, is directly elected by citizens for 5-year terms. The Senate, comprising 348 indirectly elected senators, represents local territories. Together, these two houses are responsible for debating and passing laws, approving the national budget, and holding the government accountable for its actions. Finally, the French government includes an independent judiciary and a robust system of local administration. The judiciary is split into two main branches, one for civil and criminal cases and another for disputes involving public authorities. Below the national level, France has 3 tiers of local government: regions, departments, and communes, each with elected councils. These local bodies manage essential public services and help implement national policies, bringing governance closer to citizens.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.